Years of existence and in the service. Kaya nga, napakaganda kasi yung NMIS nga, National Meat Inspection Service. It is not just a job. It is a call. By serving the people, and in serving the people, we need our heart to grow more in love. Taong palaging nagtatrabaho, gumagawa ng mga gawain na may pagmamahal. Ito yung mga tao na talagang nag-i-endure at nag-i-enjoy until the end.
The past 3 years have been very challenging to all of us. The difficult times is not yet over. It cannot be overemphasized the significance of the dictum that what you eat is what you are. Food safety is both economic and social public health concerns. Safe food contributes to having healthy people and ultimately to a healthy and happy future.
We will be counting the ribbon cutting in 3, 2, 1. Let the meat fair begin.
Keeping food safety is a complete process that starts at the farm and ends at the consumer. And this is an activity that we shall all do. It is everybody's concern and must involve the work of regulatory agents, communities, and local officials throughout the food chain. Our country is and has always been a great and good nation. But the best is yet to come if we do our share. As always, I am confident that the NMIS will do its part to keep Filipino consumers safe, healthy in the coming years.